Hi all, it's Teresa. I love to do acrylic paintings. And this year I only completed 2 paintings because I was so busy with other projects and moving and everything. So this painting is acrylic. It's 20 by 24. And I love working in acrylics. They're very inexpensive paints that I buy, and I reuse canvases that I buy just for the frames that are on them. So this painting was inspired by an image that I just got in my mind. And I love looking at the stars, looking up at the sky, and I wanted to portray that. And I also really love making up landscapes. So I incorporated both of those. I always use reference from photos that I've taken of the sky and trees and hills. And I also like to use reference for any figures that I incorporate into my paintings too. So my younger daughter posed for me for this one. I tried to use forced perspective, kind of a foreshortening effect, to increase the feeling of height as you're looking up at the sky with your feet firmly planted on the ground. And as usual, there is some symbolism that I incorporated into this painting because I always like to include some symbolism in my paintings. And you can assign some symbolism that is meaningful to you in your life whenever you look at paintings or other works of art. So please enjoy this acrylic painting progression, and thank you for watching.